Take a ride in the 2020 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.